Hello, I'm Dr. Richard Kovacs, and I was Associate Dean for Clinical Research at the Indiana University School of Medicine and Associate Director of the Clinical and Translational Sciences Institute. The purpose of this video is to explain to you what it means to be a healthy volunteer and what to expect when one volunteers for a research study. Healthy volunteers play an essential role in advancing medical breakthroughs and helping our patients get well. Without volunteers, we could not develop new medicines and treatments. Healthy volunteers provide researchers with essential data because their health information can be used as a comparison. There are many ways in which healthy volunteers are needed in research. One way is for healthy people to take medications or try treatments before they're given to people that are ill. This is done safely and allows researchers to understand how those medicines or treatments affect the body and what doses are appropriate to keep them safe. Another way that healthy volunteers assist in research is by serving as a control group, so that they can be compared to patients who have a disease. Investigators learn about the disease process by comparing the patient group to the healthy volunteers. They are often matched to patients on such things as age or gender and are given the same test, procedure, or drug as the patient group receives. Even kids are needed to be healthy volunteers for these comparison studies. Volunteers are often compensated for their time, especially if the study is complex or involves various tests, exercise, or other activities. A big concern of people participating in a research study is whether or not it is safe. Before a study is approved for volunteer participation, it has been reviewed and approved according to federal, state, and the IU School of Medicine guidelines. It has been scientifically reviewed by physician scientists and non-experts for safety, ethics, and need. Once this is completed, it is reviewed by the school's Institutional Review Board, or IRB, which carefully considers the potential risks and benefits of the study. The safety and protection of volunteers participating in research studies is always our first concern. The research staff will explain any risks, requirements, restrictions, and possible effects before you agree to participate in any study. It is important that you ask them any questions or voice any concerns before you make a decision about taking part. Please remember that participation in any research study is voluntary, and you are allowed to stop participating in a study at any time. All clinical research at the Indiana University School of Medicine is supported by the Indiana Clinical and Translational Sciences Institute. Your generosity in volunteering for research helps others and advances science. If you are interested in becoming a healthy volunteer, please review available trials and find our contact information at indianactsi.org/clinical trial or at inresearch.org. Thank you for considering being a healthy volunteer.